guys, and thanks for choosing to watch another video. Well, there's a lot in store for you today. We're out on the hunt for perch. We're trying a few different spots using some different lures from Outlaw Pro. I'm sticking to the squirms just because for some reason I can't stop using them. Sorry. And I'm joined by a special guest, Mr. Rob Hughes from Outlaw Pro himself. He's just behind me there fishing. The light's going, he wants to get a big perch. Can't say I blame him. I don't know why I'm talking to you and not fishing, but there you go. As ever guys, I've got my trusty bait caster set up. It's Daiwa Alpha Air, MajorCraft BFS Custom, and of course, the Texas rig with the micro squirm there. It's my go-to, always catches fish, especially perch. I know it works. Oh, I prefer river fishing.
Yeah, it's more difficult, isn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah, you take care of yourself, boss.
You too, mate.
Leaves you thinking on the river, doesn't it?
Exactly.
Yeah, you take care of yourself.
See you, mate. There you go. And we're off. We're off. There you go, one in a minute. Little chunky boy. Right. They all count, they all count. Let's get him up. You in? Oh. In the net.
Sweet.
First fish, lovely.
Come on, you.
They're like little snakes of that size, aren't they?
Do it like that. Keep your keep to yourself, my friend. Come.
Oh. Yeah. There we go. Little wasp.
Yes. 25. 25. Yeah. Shoot it with your editing it, so whatever, but what do you want to shoot in? You can shoot in whenever you want because we can convert it, so it doesn't matter. So just get wind to set it up to shoot in whenever you would normally shoot it in.
Come on then.
Yep. Yeah. Go. Don't mind as long as it works.
I haven't had a bite since.
Why don't they drop that trailer bird back in again? Because they're never going to put it in there.
Yeah, but you know what this is. This is YouTube gold.
Oh yeah. We have some engagement with it. It's more fun watching you than it is fishing at the moment. This is quite entertaining.
I mean, it's quite quiet, isn't it?
Yeah, we've had a couple of little ones.
Yeah, quite quiet.
One small pike, yeah. Pike and a perch at the moment.
Oh, yep. It's a pike. Oh God. That should be alright. Oh, come on, come back over here, mate. Come back over here. Oh, great fun on the light rod though, isn't it? Similar size to the one you had, really.
Be your average size in here, will it?
There is some lumps in here, to be fair. Come on. Thought that was a good perch for a second, the way it was bumping its head. Oh, come on, mate. Get that out of the way. Stay. Oh, it's a lovely little fish. Get back. Oh. Another little pike. I'm grabbing it. Come on. Oh, you alright with it? Is that on the worm? It's a bit stiff. It's new.
Cucumber again.
Hey, we might quite cucumbers.
And down the greengrocers.
Lovely little fish. Well guys, the light's fading, and as it is, I'm just going to do a little outro. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button, let me know in the comment section what you thought, and of course, smash that subscribe button for next time, for some very special videos coming soon as well, so keep your eyes out. I'll catch you guys in the next instalment.